Hi, thank you very much for watching this course and I hope you all must have enjoyed that how things can be done if you are starting your career on Fiverr or if you wanted to make your experience better. But I always believe that we can't make our learning experience better until we do not apply or practically implement that what we have tried to learn. So to make your learning experience better, I would like to set a class project for this course, and your class project is to create a new gig. But if you are already having a Fiverr gig, then you just need to edit it and apply all the methods that I have shown you in this course. And once you have done, I would like you to share the main gig image with your gig link in class project section. I will review it and will give you my best advice if I felt that you can make things more better than already you have done. That's all for this course, and I will see you with your class projects.